A lot of you have been calling us asking us, is there any homes for sale? And we know how hard it is to find a home right now in Smyrna. One that's affordable and ready to move in, especially if you're going to look for one with an open floor plan, newer construction, modern design. It's downright rare. But don't be discouraged, because today I'm going to show you all of that and more. So join me for a tour of our hot new listing. Let's go. For a gorgeous house like this one in one of the most esteemed areas of Atlanta, you know it's not going to last long. My name is Connie Carlson. I'm a realtor with Ansley, Atlanta, and if you call, text, or email me, I'll be happy to schedule a tour for you.